What's up, Tech Mania fam? If you're looking to build a capable gaming PC on a budget, or a compact system without a dedicated graphics card, then this CPU is a game changer. Today, we're diving into the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G 6-core 12-thread desktop processor with Radeon Graphics. It's the perfect heart for a powerful yet affordable build. Ready to start your PC journey? Find the direct product link in the description below. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600G is incredibly versatile. It features 6 cores and 12 processing threads, offering fantastic multitasking and application performance, perfect for everyday computing, streaming, and content creation. With a max boost clock of 4.4 GHz and being unlocked for overclocking, you can push its performance even further. But the real magic of the 5600G lies in its integrated Radeon graphics. This isn't just basic integrated graphics. It's the fastest processor graphics in the world, allowing you to play many popular games smoothly at 1080p without needing a separate graphics card. This makes it an ideal choice for budget gaming PCs or compact builds where space is at a premium. This processor fits perfectly into the widely adopted Socket AM4 platform, giving you access to a vast ecosystem of motherboards. It also supports DDR4-3200 memory, ensuring fast data access for both the CPU and its integrated graphics. Plus, it comes bundled with the AMD Wraith Stealth cooler, so you're ready to go right out of the box. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600G is an exceptional value proposition for 2025. It offers robust CPU performance combined with impressive integrated graphics, providing an excellent foundation for an affordable yet capable desktop PC. That's our quick look at the Ryzen 5 5600G. What kind of PC would you build with this APU? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Mania, and hit that notification bell. Stay techie.